Hello, beautiful people. How na dey? Also, na dey enjoy yourself from Untouchable Mama. My people, e get little thing wey I wan talk about this. All our brother, this video, I think I don see am last week. This Abat, wey Abat do. I think na last week e do, abi na last 2 weeks. Na him do am. Oh, I no vex, so I dey do something. Something I say I see small, say I no talk, I dey do something. So I dey use one take dey do something, take dey talk to una. So this video wey Abat bring come out, no be say no do am well, no be say no do am well. Wetin me just come out come talk to our people. No be only Abat o, even those wey still dey bring people come and say, come and donate, come and donate. One and know say wetin dem dey call lockdown, e dey for this side. Wetin dem dey call lockdown, e dey for this side. Dem don close everywhere. Wanna still leave people for waste. Okay, come and help, come and do this one. Our country, nothing dey work for them. I no dey talk about that one. Wayo kpankpan, waja ni anirewe boigbe. Una just put everything for people wey dey abroad head. I don't know say we get wetin we dey do for this side. Some people there, 3 months, e never pay house rent. 3 months on my house because e no see work. Una don't know wetin they call lockdown. This Okwarena, this thing, Okwarena virus in Orena. Una think say na joke for this side. Not be joke for this side though. E no dey for our place. E dey here. E dey here, e dey abroad. Now understand? So wale gbere iwo, wale si obo we. Anything, if una see person wey no fit waka, una carry come. You see dey here o, people wey no fit still waka, our people, then dey here. Who dey help them? Now the country where dem dey, na dey help them. They'll carry them go meet we get governor, we get a boy for that side. And nothing they work for that side. Even this welfare, e dey. E no dey work for our country. Why you know ya turn you no see much wanna talk that one. Wanna try, wanna talk about am. Me everything for dey okay. No, wa wan jok papa you and rewe boigbe. Why me no my person wey no fit pay house rent una go carry come. Person wey no fit do this one una go carry come. Why dey yen why dey jawe me? Wanna still use na sense now. And people wey dey here Sunday when they pay 500 euro for rent every month. Calculate am to Nigerian money. No gini go no. If you no fit pay, the person wey get the house, any hit to another way, he go tell you. Once you no fit pay, may you try, may you carry your something, go stay for outside, go where you want go stay. They not care. They not care. Wanna still use una number 7. And most of una where they carry people come, the one where they vex me pass. If una carry people come, una say the person needs 500,000. The person needs 100,000. You will carry that person come bring on social media. How much you give her for your pocket before you come and say, I give her 10,000, but I not reach you if now fee. I go see the hear those one. Why one way ya una just put everything, put for people where they for abroad head. You know good. Because of people where there for Europe, we get good mind. You know me say more just they use us as you like. Because you are not trying for America, not trying for Canada. People where they there. Before they will give you $50. $50 because they work for their money. They will go think how many hours they work that $50 when they want just give you like that. So then the way they work. 3 work, now they get 3, not be only 1. I'm not talking about only about. Most of because I just see many ones just they bring come out see the account number. Maybe we see they give you an account number, more na see they drop put. Now this say hungry not there here. Hungry there here oh. Hungry there abroad hungry na dey here pass. Because you know why? For abroad for here, if you ask person, you know if you go ask person money, you no go fit. He go ask you whether you don't know where bank dey. But in Nigeria, if you look for 100,000, 200,000. You go see person wey go give you borrow. Abroad for here, they know they borrow. They know they see. Who you want go ask? Person wey you want go ask, he get wetin you want use the money to do. He never pay house rent. We dey pay water. We dey pay light bill. We dey pay everything for this side. Not this ain't a joke. Eh? Nothing where they not they pay. Only wetin we know they pay for abroad. Now be the Brits where we, as we tell the Brit now, we know they pay that one. It remains small now. They'll say, we consider they pay that one because if you, they will can't give you, maybe if you Brit too much, you go can't pay this amount. Not be lie. It's not a joke. Eh? Mona find way one I want to repair our state. Mona they talk about those one, all those bad governor where they not do anything. Government where not they sabi know where they not know their work. Mona they talk about those one. Mona not when they put the problem where in Nigeria, when they put out for our head. We still get our own for this side. I know say some people will come out now say, they not tell you may you donate. My sister or my brother where you go talk that thing. Not be only you one. Not be only you want they donate. People there where they donate, because they don't tire for this moment now. They lose their job. Kenya, and I know they understand. Since when this Okwarena just come, many people don't lose their job. Not be saying a joke. They don't lose their job. You see person where be they work 8 hours before. Now they work 3 hours. Now when we just they talk now, they don't lock down. Sit down for his house and they talk. They don't say you go work. Sit down. They lock everything because of this Okwarena. Okwarena not there our place. Now the truth of the matter. But here where we dey, may you go hospital, may you go see people as they say they suffer. May you go see say really say this Okwarena he dey. Huh? What why joke makma? How many now feel break come? Suffer there for our country, still there for here. Suffer there for our country, now still there for here. You will see some of our black, they not get house, they sleep for train station. Our old people, they sleep there, they not get house. Maybe someday where if I get house, so he can't lose the job. You know, say this abroad where we did now, as I talk, you know the CPS way go help you. It dey very, very hard because your CPS way go help you. If not be your brother, your sister, nobody will help you. You say your friend. He not many, if he help you once, 2 times. The third one go tell you say very sorry, because not be fault. Not be fault. Now make am before you want go see person for us, you go fair call now. Because you don't know whether that person even get food for us, whether you even don't even pay house rent. Abroad not easy. Mona not they looking at that say they easy. It not they easy. Because we were there for Europe. Because we were there for Europe, we don't use money to spoil now. So Mona still take it easy for this time. Say something not there where. If I see open mouth tell you say see what they pass through, you go say really? I been a lie. Abroad now before he good, not be now. This time around, abroad not good again. Abroad not good again. So Mona just mellow. Mona cool down. Mona mellow. People wait there for Nigeria for that side. Someday way better passport wait there for abroad for here. Not be lie now. Some people they don't go abroad now. They build their house. They do their business. They date for that Nigeria. We wait there here. You can't suffer before you say you want buy land. You want to build that. You want to do this one. House where you there for here now. You with somebody now day inside though. Fear go let you say now you carry self-contained for abroad. Unless they get with the better work where you they work. Self-contained. You go say now let you want day there. Say you now let you want there for 3 rooms. No. But for Nigeria, you only you want feed do and you go there. Only you want go there. You go suffer they work the money where they work. The amount when the person they pay for this side depends on the area where you dey. Where it low pass, it may be na 500. Or if you even see 450, you go there happy. That 450, only one person not fit pay. You must find somebody join. Because now only that house, then before 450 or 500 though. Light not there. Water not there. Before you can't eat. Mona see they use no sense now. Why we problem now? Just put on for people where they abroad, especially for Europe. Now just put that for their head. They still get what they do. Una not use no sense. Una they bring people still come and say, come and help. This is your account. We for this time we go see they bring our account come out. So they give una say Mona still put on, even though some are small something. Because now that one then will come they do that. Yeah, you know go see person will go borrow you 50 euro. If they borrow you 50 euro, who will get you? Who will give you? Eh? Person where it never even eat. Person where never even know whether tomorrow they go drive her for us. Go come go give you. You won't go give you 50 euro. Maybe not that 50 euro. Now day with her. Eh? People not they receive a big salary for you. Maybe people they think say people where they are abroad they receive big salary. Unless people when they give the benefits, even they say they even give you the benefits, they not say me you take and say the true way. Maybe they say me you take and say they train the children away because you get your own children for you, man. They make them they give you. You get what you want to do for you, and not all those benefits when they give them. Not be saying now so a big like that too, because everybody for the run say okay I want go save for benefit, maybe they give me benefits. Eh? Because work no day, they don't want me you day stranded, may you day for inside co. They will even small thing, they will say okay we go they give you maybe the manager. One they get sense. Eh? Since when this occur now, when and when I not get sense, now see they pack people come. This one because we were there abroad, we get soft mind. If we just see person, on what more than suffering. Eh? Some people they here well what tome, you know call 50 years no ya tell don't call time, don't go give una for house. Eh? Because not be everybody they feed the beer. If you see person, the man go there, you know, fit take can go say I must may I go call that money, may I go give her, may I go more than suffering. Eh? More than not come put people for a problem for you. Eh? Now I know they do something. And I know the reason. Eh? More than see the reason, more than see the thing and say, can I now call you only? Now there's a burn a tree or get money. Huh? And I know even the wait say, okay, the tree never grow. May we fair wait. They say a quarter now see the other side. Eh? Now see the park come. About come see the carry your come. Eh? About see the carry your come. Other people see the carry come. One see get to no sense now. And some people they will use their money to start. Una not they use our own money to start. Una what? Me other people come they do and they'll come they tell kuna. Only one go along. Eh? Not be saying not still good, but now where we did now, everywhere rugged. Huh? Everywhere rugged. Not saying a joke. Because our Nigeria will not get Okwarena. Okwarena they here because abroad people where Europe people they not be mumu. They not fit do lockdown because they say they want to and because they like money well then they say they repair their country. Before they will say they want lock everywhere, you know say egg don't gas. Huh? They like money well. Or even people they like money well because then they say build their country, then they say repair them. But they don't say everywhere too much of this quarter now. Then they say everybody oh yeah wanna go house. Everywhere, they lock everywhere. Now we can't carry people come. Eh? Maybe people where don't get 1,000, not only 1,000 lei, 2,000 lei because of now we can't carry and come out. Eh? My brothers and sisters, if you know say you get small money for your hand, all am because it go too hot, No say some of our people they know they watch news, they know they even they listen, they don't even know what they go on for the country. It go too hot, It go too hot. Mona just hold on money. If una see person wey be say they carry come, mona say una something not there for now. Make them still go the manage and stay the manage before. Mona hold on money especially say no be you get the house where you dey. Say na rent you dey or you dey pay mortgage. You know say bank they no dey hear anything. They no wan hear say work not dey. Now wey this okwore na come. Now the government come tell them say make them wait. Now no bank now. Let's say if you never go borrow money for bank. When 1 month go come out say you not pay, you can't see letter. The letter where they go even write can't give you self. A petition can move. Petition wa move. When I'm not let them come they carry all these things now come they feel bad. Me I just go put hand for the money. Una not go see person where go borrow now for this side though. You know say if you go bank go borrow money. Let's say you never go bank before say Mona give me small money. If bank give you 500 euro. You go make sure say 50 euro. Now you go give them back. Talk like say you go borrow 3,000. When you go no have when they want collect, and you go give them. You go give them. You don't say I know they pay. Unless say you know work for the country again. You just they work black work. Anytime when you take work normal job, they must collect them. That be the thing. They must collect their money. Come and donate. Come and put for this. Come and put for this. Wanna see the brick come for this side. People wait there this side. We still need them badly. Una think say na joke. Una just see people wait there Europe finish. Una really see your finish. Wait till una go carry give una government. Una call the carry and put for our head wait there for this side. Una know as we take enter abroad. Abeg gba mu wa. Una know because if there's not talk to una, una know they talk to una self. If they say lockdown, everywhere lockdown, wanna still lock una self down. Wanna still lock una self down. Before you just turn eye go this side, come and donate. This person don't he have 4 children. You know I mean fear not the black person born 4 children for abroad. Who born 4 children? This one have 4 children. This one have 10 children. The time where they born, I don't know as he want to take care of the children. When I think say people wait there for abroad, they not sabi born. I mean, may we born more give government, may we give the government, may they trade them. I mean, I don't know say that they see children for this side, that they see them. When I talk about another thing, and that state go front, as he go take better. And I know they talk that one. How many people now feel carry come and help this, come and help this. All these things don't get it, don't too much. When I know they use money for pocket, say we they do one. Because now that one, the one where they vest me, now be this one, The one where they vest me, where now be this one. Then again, if you go their account now, you will see say their own money, maybe it go reach like 5 million. They know they touch out. They know they touch am. But if they see person wey no go school, they will carry come. You know if you pay school fees, now make am carry come. You get your own, you lock am for inside account. You no want touch am. But you want where people wait there for abroad, make they come bring come for that side. Make they bring come. Why you not do one? Abi you no know say sometimes you wait there abroad for there. You even get money pass you person where you want come ask for this side. I get very. I get baby. Una there for that side now, they pay her strength. No know what they call her strength self. This side not pay for her strength. You go to see now road now you go see yourself. Unless now you get your house. Unless now you get your house. Maybe sometimes now you get your car. You come, my brothers and sisters. You come pay insurance. You come pay the other one. You know many things when they pay for car. Not be one, not be two, not be only insurance. You just pay insurance, you just carry the go. Not be only that one. You still get other 2 things where they follow one. Before you go see carry your car, they drive for road. We get many things to do. We get many problems. One and not they put other problem for another our head. When they say lockdown, everything is locked. What they lock inside the done it. Lock everybody. Wanna lock. Everything is locked. Anybody wey need help for now, everything is locked. And nobody they donate. People even they find some people wait there for abroad for year where they get more money for account for Nigeria. Then they find where people there are people who take send down can't give them for year because of they not fit pay house rent. You must pay for a house rent for year now. You must pay for it not be free unless those one wait there for free house. When they give, not be everybody there for free house. Now if they throw away their money for this time around, you know if you throw away money like that, you know if it, you know if you throw away money like that, even 50 € no instrument say you will need them. You need that, you need that badly. Because I mean, or you know, my man. If you just find money now for Nigeria, that's why I did Nigeria. Even though say you just find, maybe you get 20,000. That 20,000, and you need 50,000. You just say, I bet go ask mama or Saume. I bet tell her say I go come give her so time. This side you not fit do one. Who go give you? I felt talk if you see person will give you, who will get you way? Who will get you? Sometimes you find 50 €, like say you find million for a year. 50 euro no come and say. You go define and go be like saying na 1 million and you define. I mean or you normal. Because someone will hire no name, you get your problem. Huh? You get your problem. I do not say people where they abroad, they don't get problem. Oh boy, huh? I get very. Unless some people, you know, one of the things say and they just they put cloth, put makeup, boy. You go one your now. Okay, no. It that you go near, or we don't buy nothing dead there. Nothing there. Unless you get better job what they do. And for abroad for yeah. If you get house, your husband, your wife, not they work. How you want to pay? How you want to pay? Tell me. Maybe your husband they receive 1,000 euro or 1,200. That 1,200. When they pay house rent, he pay 500. You go come pay light. You go come pay water. Maybe they still get car or more than they calculate time. Maybe they still get car because family will not get car. Remember one. Maybe they still get car. You come put fuel. You go come put insurance. You go come put wait till they follow the car. Before they come say, come and donate. Before I go say, I want to go give something to my people for house. Not to say that everybody now get that money for abroad for you. What better you go? What better you go? If you too much, you not come good. And I know they like all because now they do something. If you just carry something now, do one kind. Oh yeah, now me where I don't know as I take talking. Lockdown, he day here. One another person say I do something. When they hear noise. Lockdown, he did this side. So mona arrange yourself where. Why you got way? If you know they do something, I just they look at. Because people where they hear good hearts, then get American where Canada, they know they do. They know they do all. Any of your while you're there, it's just the truth. Any your while you're there. When they tell they find money, they go. You can't tell American and may can't donate money for you because they won't go up again. Because we people not be say they not get good heart because they need that pass you. They need that pass you. I need that pass you because anything where if you carry if they give you muta for year, you not pay that muta. Oh beer before you know it, they don't increase that to ×5. Not pay. Muta where they will give you for 50 euros, say maybe I don't get money, I not pay. I'll pay next maybe 6 months time. Before you know that 50 euro, don't be 250 euro. Woman pay your hair down, you must pay that money. You must pay that money anytime where you take get the money. You must pay unless you don't buy anything where be your where you can't put your name. Because anytime where you buy something where you put your name, it go enter there. Say this person get the debit for where get the credit where you want pay. Until say now just like that. Come and do this one. Come on, wanna see the help. Maybe we see the yes, sir. See this person, he get 2 million for a account. That 2 million use and say help people. Mama, honey, we never hear that one. We know they hear that one. And the one that they carry come and help. Come and donate. This is the account. Now that one then with the year. Maybe we see they give una our account. Nothing too small, nothing too big. What they are rated 10,000 yo? Obviously my way with me. Put 10,000. Maybe 20 people put 10,000. Obviously they are when you are here buy and see why man. I mean know the now only people where they for abroad now they help people where they for Nigeria. People where they Nigeria they not see they help people where they abroad. All this thing one they do it too. It won't come too much. It won't come too much. Mona go work. Mona use una money test head them. Una go work. Use una money. Stay head them. Have a way. Because really, this charity of a team or this happy of a team. Now you now go use yourself to show example. Use yourself to show example. And they watch. You get one video where Dion do. Dion say he don't inspire many people. Dion, you for they tell them where. You understand? You for tell them say now your money now you first take start time. You use your money to start time. That time you never even there for social media. Because many people where they work Dion, they say, hey, Dion, they donate for them, they donate on. You don't fair use your money. You just they tell them like that, say, Not be say you inspire them, make they come they do because they see you say people they donate. No, people they donate because they see say you don't fair they do am with your own money. Now you fair to start time. That time you never come social media. You for see they tell them, eh? Because all these people they just believe say John just get top one day. Now just start to they do this foundation. One account they donate, one account they donate. Not be say they start time, eh? Like saying if he still start time like that, say one account me I like it, baby, the honey. Me, I don't they like that kind of thing. Eh? It's not good. All these people, they just see say, then they donate for God send though. And maybe we still come, they not be so. Mona fair use our own money for maybe for 2 years. Eh? After that 2 years, people come to now this person, we like what they do. They'll come, they support you. Eh? One more. Now just carry the for now you put for person head. Huh? That one not bania. You'll see some people for abroad for here. No, for Nigeria. If you tell them say this side not easy, you go come tell you say you wait still there abroad. What did that one me? That's the way there abroad. They mean log way. Something not the shaken. Eh? I be not to say people wait there abroad. They mean shaking ya. Then they pay everything. Oh. Not the way you know they pay for abroad though. Nothing. I do not say in Nigeria. They carry car, they go, you know they pay insurance. Eh? Yeah, not be like that. If they see you saying they carry car, they'll give you multa. After they don't give you multa, they'll seize that car. Yeah, seize it. And you must pay that multa when they give you. You can't do that. I will not say Nigeria, abroad be like Nigeria, where you just say, this side of my house, me I just put a counter. Me and they start to they sell something. You know they happen for this side. Like say they happen, many people for the do. You know for the pay for stock. You get your outside like at Nigeria being now. Outside of your house, you put something, you they sell now. This side they don't give you license. They don't give you what you tell they do. You just put them before you. They'll just come. They'll give you multa. The multa where they'll give you. One you come they ask yourself say I don't know. Like say I know. Now you come they ask yourself. Like say I know because we for the do for yeah. Our people they get many opportunity to get money. They not they use them. They just depends. Hey, people where they abroad they people wanna stop them because now when they bring people come, now cause some. And the truth. You just see person now no one work. Go say they say that they give money. People where they abroad, then they very kind. They give money. Brother, sister, there's which work you be want to. He go come tell you say see the work where you be want to. That person even the way you give them money, not they do because tomorrow they go still come for another help. You go say help they them. Huh? I don't say make people not help, but now for now, more stop them. For now, more stop them. Money not there. They don't lock everywhere. They lock everywhere. Supermarkets then they open with a pharmacy. With a what you call now, hospital they open. Now understand? No work. Only people wait there for inside house. Maybe that they do internet work. Now if they work now. We never even know where they will say, okay, the lockdown don't stop. Huh? Not to say na joking of it. Not be joking of it. One are still using a number 7 whether na get. Huh? It can one me go when for the see money is locked down. And 3 not there yet where they produce the money. We work for it. If you not go work, they not pay you. If you not go work, they not go pay you. Una fit dey talk say benefit. Now everybody they collect benefit. Not be everybody. Not be everybody. People they will get their own job. If any na making now they say they see their money when they say want to what they want to. They don't depend on government say government will give you money. Someone has stop all this nyama when they do. They carry people come, they put their accounts. We go soon start now. We go put our own account. More than they from Nigeria. You see some people they'll say I care equate the bread yari dona before many people from Nigeria will get their money when they drive for work now Nigeria now they for send money can't give them for this side don't want no hurry no borrow who want give you borrow who want give you borrow you know they Una use una number 7, una use una sense. Say money for this side everywhere. E get as e be. E get as e be. Before now they talk, wait, una go they meet. We get it. I don't even know. Our country, all these things where these people were there for, where people they do to they help people. It's not there for our country. Who they support them? All the governor, all the government were there for our country. Hey, nothing. What did they do? But una just put up makma. Una put for our side. Una put for our hands for this side. Say, come and donate to person wey go come see that make una come donate. See the person say the person what told me. The money wey be put for ground wey want to eat or wey want to do something, go carry and go give una. When I know they do that thing, when they are hit to one diamond in the railway, una no just get. Before you know it, the money don't finish. People don't say they say you stop work. They not pay you full salary. Because now they tell you say you stop work. They not pay you full salary. They will give you maybe small one, maybe manager. Now you know as you want a manager. Now you know. Because if they don't give you, go tell them say no rich. Or person where they may be person where they work now. If they receive 1,000 euro, that 1,000 euro, not just tell say because of they do lockdown, and the government they can't give you 1,000 euro. Or man, but they know they give you. If they give you, maybe they give you 500 or 600. If they give you too much, 500 or 600. Oh, come on, I figure for a person where they can't remove 400 for a money where they received before. You know, can't they put another. Come and donate. Come and donate. This person need to help. We still need to help for this side. Now we need them pass on. The money wanna get, one of the carry and can't give us for this side. Because now we need them badly. And the truth too. You know, as me they talk and some people feel that say, Madam I bear enters, then say my house are there. Madam I bear shut up, when you're boy. Because if you dare here, if you know say that the truth, now they talk, when you're boy. Now the truth. We need them bad. Because Okwarena is there here, Okwarena is not there for Nigeria. It's not there. Because in your way, say Okwarena or wrong. Okwarena error, now yeah, na day. Now yeah, can't see people. Can't see people. Unless say maybe you know they would go hospital, go they see what they happen. When you go there, go see your eye. Where Okwarena gelere we man. It's not there for our country, but it's there here. So wanna stop him. One stop no why ask why this one later not be now. Because I see many people when they look for money they go. You hear this one go say he may any here see go why okibegba. The thing go there go say hell no bua okibegba. Why ya see go why but then they all this one all these people wait there for our country. In your man any rockba. Really come and donate. People go see they put their account, more than see they put. At least we now see the help. As we still don't see help now for house, more than see help us for this side. Because they don't believe saying na lie. Okwore na imagine erowa. The one where they tell na say they for house, you know they. Like say na say they for Nigeria. Hey Jimmy, I'ma do me yakwane. We hospital not there, nothing they work for that side. Like say not there. It's gonna all destroy any yakakabo. So you know there. Now only here night day. So one stop here no wa only. Not be only no verse. Not be only about because this about I see I can say about where your mama marry. Na e ka beg any that one never reach. May you use your money for pockets. May you still they help them. So now be that one, my brothers and sisters. I not say may you not do your charity or what you want to do to the help people. May you not use your money to start them because you now too much. Wanna use your money to start them. Wanna find the do one. Wanna they show say, oh, see this person. I don't help her. Me, I never hear the one wanna say, I don't help this person with my own pocket money. I give her 500,000 me to start business. I never hear her. Wanna sit down, wanna think and say, it's not good. No matter say we dey very good, we dey nice. And a girl no way be 1 year. You know if you just keep person way strong now. Person way no way egg can that dog get a webo. I do not know because they follow and they laugh. They pull like they do this one. Unless those people where as I said they talk and say, unless those people where they house where they work for through internet. Some people they now lockdown they work through online. They see they work with their company with online. And those ones they see their money. But not be everybody get that opportunity. Not be everybody get that opportunity. So they work online job, even though say your company then they for lockdown. Not be everybody now. Wanna see they help. Some people there go say I enjoy like to they help people. Oh, hear me no, you help woman. That one name they call help. Not be now. And those one name be help because say I want now what told me. Oh, I want me a helper because God say if you help person will still help you. You go say what you get, still help that person. That will now not be like that. Why drop my man, why judge my name, or I give my one man, I give my you top. Because we get no, so we were there for abroad, we were there for Europe. We get good mind, very soft. So if we see, we must go give. But mona put her for na break say no, this time around, nothing day. Yeah, dry. Mona not come they carry people they come all the time. Mona still do lockdown. Mona still do lockdown. Everywhere is lockdown. People where supposed to they give, then get locked down. We never even know where that day where what those one we now we never know. Egbe can that dog Egbe come now. Because even though say you not pay your what you call, you not pay your light now. Not be say because of say lockdown then you not pay. If they wait for you after the lockdown, they will bring up you can't pay. You can't pay. How do I a boy vow a hanu hasa? Sometimes they feel say you pay because of this problem where they say they you can't pay 3 times, 4 times. Oh yeah, high. They know they give you free. Nothing is free for abroad though. Nothing is free for abroad. My brothers and sisters, maybe they talk truth. Nothing where they for abroad will be free. Some people they tell say, what do they call it? Insurance, health insurance is free for abroad. Who tell you that one? Say na free. How do you know? Say na free. It not be free. You dey pay am. You don't know say you dey pay. You dey pay. You don't know say you dey pay. No, say some people dey this abroad. They don't know anything. They will just say, na free oh. Then they mean na free. Now true say if maybe you not get documents, say maybe you then. If they sick, they go treat you. That one at their law. They not feel leave you, may your enemy die. No, they must treat you. They must treat you. Because if they not treat you, say something can happen to you, they have question to answer. You understand? But once you get documents, you will say, I get documents. This something, health insurance not free. Not be free. Not be free as you they work. Now that one then they call it, waiting they call now. You they pay tax. Now inside that tax, then therefore they remove van. Inside your working destiny, then therefore they remove van. Because as you they work, person where give you contracts, then they pay your tax. Now inside them, then they remove van. So you they pay. Nothing is free for abroad. I don't feel talk nothing way free. Even I own imagine they'll say, we'll they pay put. Or you know, see when you buy something, they'll say, this one at the IVA. That the IVA and a tax. I do not know, say some people they'll buy something, they know that IVA where they na tax. Now tax, anything where you want buy for abroad, tax day. Even though say you go supermarket, you go buy pasta, tax day. You don't pay tax for them. Nothing is free for abroad. Nothing is free. You must pay for it. Anything you are doing, you must pay. So, my brothers and sisters, wanna still cool down for now. Egbe we. No heke. Oni save ba loe. Ni do yata. No heke. Oni sa ba loe. Wanna still calm down. Nothing wey dey for abroad wey free. Nothing is free. All na pay. You must pay. You see say maybe you wan go carry maybe your document, you wan go put am for somewhere. Then say make you go bring marker the bolo. That marker the bolo, you no know what it be. Na tax na you pay for them. Na tax, maybe na 20 euro. Na 20 euro you don't still pay and they'll still write am down. Maybe you wan go renew your driving license. You still get what you want still pay for them. They will still pay am. All na pay. Nothing is free. You must pay for it. If you not pay, you not go get am. You not go get am. So all this one when people come they turn on their head upside down say, Europe, everything is free. Who tell you? Say everything is free. If everything is free, may you come see as it be. May you come see am. May you go where don't you don't ever pay 500 euro for rent for Nigeria. 500 euro, you say for 1 month, now you say pay am. For a year, 500 euro go be your rent. 500 euro. Calculate time you go nothing in Nigeria. Just calculate time. That one will be 1 year. 1 year for Nigeria has strength. Now only 1 month you want to pay for year. The other month, you want a day. Now so you pay every month. Every month. Water not dead there. Light not dead there. If you get car, fuel where you want put not dead there. So all this rubbish when they tell on that they come put on our head on the side that people when they abroad, they get money, people probably not dead there. They very people when they Nigeria way better pass people when they abroad. Oh boy. Fear will let you say you just buy your house finish. Unless say those people where fair work where really gather money, they don't buy their house. Even don't say you would buy your own house safe. You see they pay my people. You see they pay. You know say get what that they pay every year. You must pay. What they call them? Whether na each year, be I don't know what they call them. Every year that they bring and come, you must pay. 100 or something, 200 or something, depends on how your house. Now you take pay. Every year you must pay that one. Our house. You don't buy the house, so maybe you don't buy the house. They say you must now tax whether they pay. I live in Nigeria. So all this nonsense when they tell us say people where they abroad, they get money, they don't they pay anything. Now government they give them for free. Where therefore they give them for free. For the sides where you there, in Nigeria, you think say you there for you. Where everything will be free. Anything where you want buy, even includes, now that they talk, and so go see they say, even not includes, you go, My brothers and sisters, me I just live now for years more because sometimes when they see some video, I know they get time say me I just say come top put because I get many things to do. No. I get something to do. Sometimes I will just say tomorrow I'll do, next tomorrow I'll do, but I know they get chance. But I say this Sabbath I go talk about time. So about if you want to do your thing, may you use your own money to start time. People go help you. Me, I go still they carry your video, I go they promote time for you, but not be now. Now everywhere they shut everything down. If you get 1 million for account, 3 million for account, where can they join just one? Use that one to start and say you want to start this thing. No, but like me, now no office me you not can start. Boy can where start am, but use your own money first. Then people come they follow now for back. More to na one like someone na one do, more na they do. But more na they use una money first. Now after using una money, people they watch you now. And before they consider they join and take this one, because people may need to help for that country. My setting and when I see the talk to our governor, and I see the talk to our governor say, where they webo. Because for this side, not be say that people not even they still they donate, they help, they see they do. But I'm a man no say that our all get as it be. They see they do for you. People see the concept, they'll come say, you want to give people way, so if you get, you give. If you not get, you not go give. That this the one where they give for this side, then they will record down, you write your name down, put on say you give so. That will now not be so a big problem, not there. Anyhow, I want to do, bet. No, now they use on money till they start them first. When I use on money till start them, why I no way why be my wa? We get our own problem where would they resolve, where we never feel still resolve. Some people they here wait don't they abroad for many years. He never even get land for that Nigeria. If you turn if you just say well just carry go. If you just say go carry go. If you just say go carry go, that money not figure down and lie. Some people get very soft mind. When they will see person, you just, even though say na €1, go say this €1, me I just do a 50 cents, me I go give, me I hold this 50 cents. It dey, but more not, because people like that, when they use them too much, no good. More say calm down. Everything they rugged for this side. Everything they rugged. Everybody head for this side, they spark. More not they see us on everybody head for this side, they spark. Oh, wow, since when this Okoro Swen, this Okwore now, many people don't lost their job. Many will lost their job. They don't even give them even 2 hours to work safe. They lost their job. When someday we still get more money for us, from them they will send when they give them. I do not the thing say they know they from Nigeria, they send money when they send money. As we they send from here go house. Now so some way still get their money for house. They still from them they send them can't give them. And hence say no, I mean bewa. You know say me hungry killer now. You know say I been not saying everybody in the government just they give money. Where they put the money? Before they'll say lockdown. I said they like money there. They love money, then they say they repair their country. You know, say this one don't fool or even. So when they understand even though when they lockdown, Mona still lockdown. Mona left everywhere they better first before now they carry people come out. Because I get this thing, I want me just talking. And the thing I will just say, why hey una know the year word? I do not say as Nigeria be say, Okwore Nairo Doni Rediameje, not be so it be. Like say Okwore na not the year, they're not for not lockdown. They're for not one. Because if they lock down for 10 days, you know how much they lose. You know how much they lose. Because now they tell you something you don't work, and they must give you something, must give you money, make take it. But it not be as the one way they receive. Like they don't fit tell you something sit down for us as you how much you they receive. €2,000. They will say, okay, you 2,000, the other one 2,000. Me am on any goji. They will make sure say they'll give you the one where you go take it, may you not quench. I beg my brothers and sisters, me I live on for here. Because this one just say me I just sit talking. I beg if you want this my audio, you not like what I talk, not call here, cause they insult my enemy, If you don't, I will block you. I know they take rubbish. No, people don't fair no. I know they take nonsense. My own are just advice. You know, see, I not cause anybody. Now advice I can't give. And the truth of the matter now I talk. If you say not be truth, say coronavirus, a lockdown day, but you see they work and you feel they pack your go they give. Problem not there. But many people will not get soft mind. If they see all these people, you think they touch them? Some people there, even don't say no eat. So far me another person eats. It dey like that. You go say, home ya wa balo man. So far negbe waran we. So far no we be. So people dey like that. They know they think about themselves. Then they think first of all about another person before they come they think about their own. Which is bad because now you want suffer to get the money. First think about yourself. If you chop, then you feel get strength. Say give another person. That's what it's supposed to be. But some people not be like that because not be all brain. Not be as my brain say they work, not be your own say they work. If you walk on another side, my own feel walk on another side. So now so it be. So if you don't like what I talk, just watch and come up for them. Not call here, call insult me, I don't say me anybody not give money. But this time around, everywhere na coco. If you there abroad, you know say now the truth I tell you. Everywhere, always be. So if you get maybe money, small money where you don't fair work before. Zia you want is sankane. Hide them first because you don't know what it go happen next month, next 2 months. Now truth I can't tell you now, You don't know what it go happen next month, next 2 months. First think about yourself. Before you go see yourself for train station, Now the truth I can't talk for here, Now the truth. So my brothers and sisters, from Otoshebo Mama, remain blessed. Help me make una share. Make these people, these our people, make them understand. Make them still lock down. As they lock us for this time, make them still lock down. Make them fair wait. Before people will come, they say, okay, why can't they donate? Because donate, not too much. It's not too much. It's not too much. It's okay like this. As we see, because now they're supposed to say, we not go they bring anybody now because lockdown they for that side. The one that they use on our own money, take the help. Una get, not be so not get because lockdown way there for Nigeria na fake. That one na fake. Na dey. This side not be fake. They use their money to they repair their country. They not fit just lock people for instance say make money no they float. Mona for understand say this one way this for here not be fake. We quarry now when dia. So na bye bye. Ciao.